What's going on YouTube? I got another unboxing and review. This time it's from Harlem Bling. So this is gonna be my first time trying something from Harlem Bling. I've seen their products a lot on Instagram and Facebook and YouTube, and I thought, like, you know, they got some pretty cool stuff. So I figured I'd give them a try, and I finally have a package here from Harlem Bling. It's pretty big, so let's unbox it and let's see what's inside. All right, so I ordered this package like 2 days ago, and it got here pretty quick. So I would say that they have pretty fast shipping. It comes through priority mail, so if you were to order yours, it'd get there pretty quick. So let's just see what's inside. We got a cool shirt. Oh, dang. They sent me another tester. That's crazy. Look, I got 2 testers now, which is pretty cool. So I appreciate that a lot. Let's just real quick going through what's inside of this bag. So we got the product here, Harlem Bling. We got a couple of cards. I assume they're like silver cleaning cloths. Pretty cool. So I have to scratch out my address. I ended up scratching the advertisement, but I mean, you can still read it. This is what they got. Here, another one, same thing. We got the cert, GRA. Look at that. Valid. Oh, cool. And they sent me a scale, so I really appreciate it a lot. And I'm gonna put all of this stuff to use. So we're not gonna be using the Supreme Diamond Tester today. It's all good, all good. I'll use that HB one, Harlem Bling. And cool, we got some stickers. Harlem Bling. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this shirt on. All right. Yeah, I like the way it fits me. It's pretty cool. All right, so this shirt has like New York on it. I've never been to New York, so this is pretty cool that they sent me this. This is Harlem Bling. Established in 2014, I think. All right, let's continue with this review. We have the scale right here. I'll unbox that in a little bit. And then the diamond tester here. Let's just start with the actual product. So what I got was a 8.25-inch Gothic Cross Bracelet. So I thought it was pretty cool. When I saw it on the website, I thought I just had to get it. So that's what I chose. So we're just gonna open it up. Boom, look at that. So this is 925 silver and Moissanite, so it does pass the diamond tester. Look at this. It's got some good weight to it. The infinity links are solid on the back. The crosses are hollow. It's stamped M925 on the back. The polish is perfect on this. It's like a mirror. I actually like it a lot. All right, let's go ahead and try this on. And we're also gonna do like some light tests, sunlight test, diamond test, weight test, all that stuff. This is 8.25 inches in length. It'd be pretty cool as a chain too. Dang, this is so cool. So this is what it looks like on the hand. Let me just secure it with the clasp real quick. So this is a box type clasp, so it's like the same deal as most of these chains out there. You just hook it on and then you clamp it closed, and it's pretty secure. Yeah, it's pretty cool, pretty neat. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on right now, and then we'll just see how it looks on my wrist. I love it. It's got a beautiful shine to it. And this only comes in 2 sizes, so it's gonna come in a 7.25 inch and an 8.25 inch. So you can see it's a little bit too big, and this is an 8.25. But if I were to get a 7.25 inch, it'd be too tight on me. So I had to get the 8.25. So this is what I got in the packaging. Shout out Eddie, shout out Harlem Bling. I appreciate it. So you can see the shines and the stones already. This thing's busting like crazy. I love the infinity link, and the crosses go crazy. I'm not even playing, bro. I'm definitely gonna be wearing this a lot. So here we have a leather box where the bracelet came in. And this is a silver cleaning cloth I was talking about. So I like how this one is white. Has their logo on it, stickers, and then Harlem20 if you want $20 off any purchase over $100. So they got some cool discounts there. Let's go ahead and unbox these and weigh it and diamond test it. All right, so real quick, let's just open this up. This is the GRA certificate. So this tells you the stones and the information about the stones in which this bracelet was made. So all the dimensions. And let's get to this diamond tester. So this is a heat conductivity tester. So if a stone allows heat to pass through it, it will pass the diamond tester. So we can compare it to a cubic zirconia. This is a cubic zirconia, so I will do a test on this and I'll do a test on this, and I'll show you the difference in which a stone cannot pass because of the heat conductivity. So this is the Harlem Bling diamond tester, and I will show you how to boot it up and use it. So the thing about these is you have to wait for them to warm up. So once you turn it on, you are gonna see this red light, and once you see this red light, you gotta give it a couple seconds, and then a second red light will come on. Also right here on the back is the chart, so you need to be at room temperature to make this work right. It'll tell you the setting, like 531, and it will tell you what setting to do based on what the temperature is inside the room. So typically room temperature is about 4 or 5. I'm gonna do 4. This light came on, that means it's ready to use, and your finger has to be on the metal for proper use. So I'm gonna take this off. We just go on any stone and it passes easy. So we'll go again, boom, any stone, it'll pass. All right, now let me real quick show you the difference between a cubic zirconia. Does not conduct heat at all. So let me compare it right here. You see it right there. I put it on there, nothing happens. I put it on here, it passes. Once again, nothing happens here. So this is good quality moissanite, conducts heat like it should, and it sparkles like it should. All right, this one is just a scale. So here we go, their business address, best jewelry prices, Harlem Bling. Open it up once again, so we gotta make sure it's calibrated. All right, so right now it's at 0 grams. We're gonna put this little cup on there, put tar to zero it, and we're gonna put this bracelet on here. This bracelet weighs 36.5 grams. So I'm gonna hit y'all with some close-ups of this bracelet. All right, here you can see the craftsmanship of this bracelet. I got the beautiful crosses, infinity links, all prong set, everything soldered on the back. Stones are shining like how they should. This bracelet is so fire. This is a shine test, so this is what it looks like at night or like under some flashlight. I love how the stones glow. This thing looks super icy. Up close you see the colors of moissanite, so you see the orange, blue, some yellow in there. And if you get it out of focus, it's even better. So here's just some natural lighting. And here's the sunlight. This thing dances in the sun. Yeah, those colors are nice. All right, so overall, I like this bracelet a lot. I'll probably give it like a 9 out of 10, only because it's a little bit too loose on me, but it's like it's not Harlem Bling's fault. It's just that's how the bracelets can be made. It's not like you can split across in half and then join the links together. I mean, it's got to be one or the other. You can even stack it with like another bracelet, another cool Cuban bracelet. This is how it looks, super icy. Or if you want to rock it by itself, looks pretty dope too. The design is awesome. I love it so much. I think crosses look cool. I even got like a cross, like the same type of design. So I mean, these types of crosses are cool, especially on the bracelet. I wish they had a chain for it. I didn't check. Maybe I should check again. But yeah, this is Harlem Bling. For my first time, I would say I'm pretty pleased with what they have to offer. Their presentation is awesome. Their product is awesome. They got good prices. And if you're looking for a discount, you can use Harlem20. Orders over $100. So once again, Eddie, appreciate it. Whole team at Harlem Bling, I appreciate it. This is awesome. I love this bracelet. Definitely gonna be wearing it every day. Don't be afraid to shop with Harlem Bling. They got the best Moissanite products there is out there. The best packaging and presentation, the best quality. And they got some pretty cool stickers. All their stuff comes with GRA. So this one has its own ID. Everything comes in their own certificate. I appreciate you guys, appreciate everybody watching, and I appreciate Harlem Bling for sending me this. They got some awesome products, and I will definitely be shopping with them again soon. I mean, this is so sick, man. Appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you. And I'll see you next time.